While push-ups offer numerous benefits for overall fitness, they can also have some potential disadvantages or drawbacks, especially if performed incorrectly or excessively. Here are some of the disadvantages of push-ups. 1. Risk of injury. Performing push-ups with incorrect form or technique can lead to injuries, particularly to the shoulders, wrists, or lower back. Overstraining these areas without proper warm-up or conditioning can result in strains or sprains. 2. Limited muscle activation. Push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they may not effectively engage other muscle groups. Relying solely on push-ups for upper body strength may neglect other important muscles such as the biceps, upper back, and lower body muscles. 3. Not suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain physical conditions, such as wrist problems, shoulder injuries, or lower back pain, may find push-ups uncomfortable or even harmful. People with pre-existing health issues should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating push-ups into their workout routine. 4. Plateau effect. While push-ups can be a beneficial part of a workout routine, solely relying on them may eventually lead to a plateau in terms of muscle development. As the body gets accustomed to the exercise, it may become less effective in building muscle strength and mass over time. 5. Overuse injuries. Repetitive motion without proper rest and recovery can lead to overuse injuries. Pushing the body beyond its limits without adequate rest can strain the muscles and joints, leading to conditions such as tendinitis or muscle fatigue. 6. Not a complete workout. While push-ups can be a valuable component of a workout regimen, they do not provide a comprehensive exercise routine on their own. To achieve overall fitness, it is important to incorporate a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups and aspects of physical health. To mitigate these disadvantages, it is crucial to maintain proper form, avoid overexertion, and incorporate a balanced workout routine that includes a variety of exercises to target different muscle groups and prevent overuse injuries. Additionally, seeking guidance from a fitness professional can help ensure that push-ups are performed correctly and safely.